Doug, you're a true teammate and an amazing friend, and you embody what it really means to be a patriot.
The thing I love the most about you is you never tried to be someone that you weren't. You weren't trying to be this Mr. Cool guy over in the corner or like this book tech savvy guy. I don't know. You were just you. You were just Doug, and that's why everyone loved you so much.
You were not only a good friend, but you were an inspiring leader, an inspiring person overall. To everyone that you ever met, you extended to all parts of this campus, across all groups, through not only your passion for your country and for philosophy, but your passion and your outgoing sense so that I don't give a damn. I will go and do what is right.
You were everything. I mean, the greatest guy, the nicest guy, the funniest guy.
I looked at you and I'm like, wow, he's having so much fun in this this group and he's doing so well. I really want a piece of that, and I really want to be like that.
He was the kind of guy that was going to go out and really change something in the world. He really was interested in doing things that, would benefit other people.
I saw someone who was truly proud of who they are and just had no regrets about what they were doing or how they lived their life.
How do you feel right now, man?
I feel good. I got my ball, and I got my pad, and I got my shirt over there. I'm going to get my ring. I feel good.
Doug, what made this team so great this year?
I think that what made this team so great this year was the fact that, we never gave up. We never put down each other. We're always a family. We joke around a lot, but when we hit the field, we're serious and we're ready to play. And I think we're just, a great unit,
So, what are you looking forward to next year?
We want to do it again. We're only losing one senior. He's a big one, Pat Zajac. But it looks like we got a good crop of freshmen coming in, and we got solid sophomores, and our junior class is good. So our core players are coming back, and it's good. So.
All right, thanks for talking.
You love talking about historical events. So I really admire that. Thanks, Doug. Thank you for being one of the greatest guys ever. I just thought you were such a great role model, and I wish I could have told you that because I look up to you so much. You're such a hard worker. You have such a great personality. You're an amazing person, and you're so sweet.
We love you, Doug. You'll always be with us. Thanks for being not only a good friend, but a man who I will always respect and always look up to in the years to come.